Located in one of the most desirable beach-close neighborhoods in Surf City, this versatile home features 4 bedrooms downstairs, with one currently opened as an office, and a huge loft upstairs that can serve as a 5th bedroom. It lives like a single-story home and offers a comfortable open floor plan. The inviting curb appeal begins with stone facade accents, a well-maintained exterior, and wrought iron fencing sets the tone for a private yet welcoming home. Welcome to 19022 Summerfield Lane in Huntington Beach. Come on in, we know you're going to like what you see. Entering the residence, this functional floor plan offers a nicely sized family room full of natural light, tile flooring, a gas fireplace with decorative facade, and sliding doors leading to the backyard, creating a comfortable space for everyday living and entertaining. Open to the family room, the dining area also has tile flooring, a chandelier, ceiling fan, and pantry space, making it both practical and well positioned within the home. The spacious kitchen offers tile countertops, ample wood cabinetry, recessed lighting, a 5-burner gas cooktop stove, and black appliances. Just off the main living area, the den provides flexible space that can be used as a bedroom, home office, or additional lounge area, and is currently open to the family room. The primary suite features a double-door entry, new carpet, mirrored closet doors, and an en-suite bathroom with dual vanities, recessed lighting, a tile shower with glass doors, and additional storage space. Downstairs has 2 additional bedrooms with new carpet and share a full hallway bathroom with shower and tub. Upstairs, the bonus room offers added privacy and flexibility with its own en-suite bathroom, making it ideal as a dual master suite, game room, or additional living and entertaining space. The backyard provides space to personalize and enjoy outdoor living with existing hardscape, rain gutters, and room for gatherings, entertainment, or future improvements. Additional highlights include dual pane windows, fresh interior and exterior paint, central heating, recessed lighting, ceiling fans, a gas fireplace, a direct access 2-car garage with washer and dryer hookups, and 220-volt capability. This interior tract home is also close to Perry Park, a short commute to world-class beaches and the dining, entertainment, and shopping throughout Huntington Beach. Also nearby are Huntington Beach Central Park, the Library and Senior Center, Huntington Beach Sports Complex with the Equestrian Center, Meadowlark Golf Course, South Coast Plaza, the Orange County Fairgrounds, and much more. Easy access to major freeways and Pacific Coast Highway. Great homes in this neighborhood and this location rarely come on the market, so please call us today for a private showing and experience the best of California coastal living all year round. Please call for pricing.